Practicing English conversation skills, especially around the theme of problems and solutions, is crucial for effective communication. Think about it. Every day, we encounter challenges, whether at work, in our personal lives, or even in casual conversations. Being able to articulate these problems and discuss potential solutions not only enhances our language skills, but also boosts our confidence in social interactions. Let's start with identifying problems. When we talk about issues, it's important to express them clearly. For instance, if you're discussing a project at work that's falling behind schedule, you might say, "We're facing a delay due to unforeseen circumstances." This statement not only identifies the problem, but also sets the stage for a constructive conversation. Practicing how to frame problems helps you communicate effectively and encourages others to engage in finding solutions. Next, let's move on to discussing solutions. This is where the conversation can become really dynamic. When you present a solution, it's essential to be clear and persuasive. For example, instead of saying, "We could try to work harder," you might say, "I suggest we implement a new project management tool to streamline our workflow." This approach not only shows initiative, but also provides a tangible solution that others can visualize and support. Another key aspect is active listening. When discussing problems and solutions, it's vital to listen to others' perspectives. This not only fosters a collaborative environment, but also enriches your vocabulary and understanding of different viewpoints. You might respond with phrases like, "That's an interesting point. How do you think we can integrate that into our current plan?" This kind of engagement encourages a two-way dialogue, making the conversation more productive. Let's not forget the importance of tone and body language. When discussing sensitive issues, your tone can convey empathy and understanding. Using phrases like, "I understand this is a challenging situation," can help create a supportive atmosphere. Additionally, maintaining eye contact and using open body language can make your communication more effective and inviting. Lastly, practicing these skills in real-life scenarios is essential. Join conversation clubs, engage in role-playing exercises, or even practice with friends. The more you immerse yourself in these discussions, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Each conversation is an opportunity to refine your skills and build your confidence. By focusing on problems and solutions in your English conversations, you not only improve your language abilities, but also prepare yourself for real-world interactions. So, embrace these discussions, practice regularly, and watch as your communication skills flourish.